So, since we got caught in the rain earlier, let's make our very own rain cloud. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with 2 small containers of water. I use just old applesauce cups. I filled them with water and I'm going to put about 10 drops of food coloring in each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 red, and let's do 10 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we now have our red and our blue. I have just a large mason jar. Any clear jar you can find is fine. I filled it about 2/3 of the way with water, and now we're gonna make our cloud using shaving cream. So I'm gonna make a nice cloud. Put off the shaving cream. I'm having way too much fun with the shaving cream. All right, so now, if you have a dropper, you can use the dropper. I don't, so I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm gonna just dip it into my food coloring and water, and this is like the air that's meeting the clouds. And we're gonna pour it through and watch how long it takes for it to rain through our cloud. So you can see we added our food coloring up here. We added the red and the blue. And now it's worked its way through our thick layer of cloud and it's beginning to send precipitation or rain down to the earth. So we now have our purple that's starting to make its way through the water. Look at how beautiful it is when the water starts to make its way through the cloud of shaving cream and starts dripping to the bottom. This is a really cool project to do on a rainy day or on a sunny day. You can play with different colors. You can play with the thickness of your cloud. This is a fun activity to do on the back porch where you don't make a giant mess. I highly recommend having a tray underneath it. It will make your adults much happier with you. Have fun creating.